I started off as a camper, and then from being a camper, I joined the SFL STEM Future Leader program. From there, I was a high school intern last summer, and then this year I'm now a support intern.
The STEM Connections are an awesome opportunity for summer camp for kids to come to. We have a whole area full of gardens and nature and walkways and hiking trails and the creek, and they get hands-on experience through camp, and they can take those experiences home and remember them forever.
First day I was scared and I was a little bit nervous, but I actually did like it, and it was really exciting for the first day.
Even if they walk out of camp learning one new thing or having one new idea or seeking one new opportunity, that is just something that we want them to take away.
Today we tested with these little strip things to see if what kind of liquid was okay for fish to go in, and I thought it was kind of cool. I didn't know that bugs could live underwater. That water goes and doesn't really go anywhere, it never leaves the earth. The water from billions of years ago still here. Is still here today. Yeah, that is pretty cool.
It's important for kids to have hands-on learning opportunities, because when they're immersed actually in the process, they are going to learn a lot more and retain that information. And here at the STEM Connection, they get experiences that they wouldn't have elsewhere.
A lot of schools right now are transferring a lot to technology and being on devices all day. But I'd say that's one of the biggest things is kids don't even expect to be able to go to the creek or get to make slime or get to do all these crafts or get to build things and build life-size cars. And I think that's one of the biggest things, that they go home being inspired.
We see success here at the STEM Connection. Maybe a child is doing an activity and they say, I can't do it. And we turn that into an I can do it, and give them the success and the confidence that they can do something that they thought was hard or challenging. I can think back to a time where I saw a child's confidence grow during summer camp. We were down at the creek and they did not want to go in. But by the end of the week, with some encouragement from the camp staff and the encouragement of other campers, they were in there catching minnows and crawdads just like everyone else, having the time of their life. I think it's important to know that a lot of our campers are repeat campers. They come back because they love it here.
Not only was I a camper here, but now that I have the opportunity to work here, I would say that our kids coming here, some of them might not even know it, but I love that some of them will be back here many, many years from now with the opportunities to join us here as a high school intern.
And I think we're gonna come back until I'm too old for this place, and then like I can come back and be a counselor here.
Is that what you want to do too, Harper?